Are your Google Photos silently backing up every picture you take? So if you rather keep things local on your phone, there's a simple setting you need to change. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop automatic backups from Google. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Open up the Google Photos app. Make sure you are logged in to the correct Google account. If not, tap on the profile picture icon and tap on Switch account to your correct Google account. Then, tap on Backup. Toggle the option off for backup. However, if you want to continue to backup, but you find that the photos are too large and you want a smaller file option, there's an option to backup the quality. There's an option to backup the photos in a lower quality. Let me show you how. Tap on the gear icon on the top right. Toggle the option on for backup here. Scroll down and tap on Photos on Video Quality. Select the option on for Storage Saver, which compresses your photos and videos that gives you good quality prints up to 24 by 16 inches, which in my opinion is good enough as a backup, especially if you just want to keep a copy. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other two videos here to see if they will help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye bye.